Hey, welcome back. I'm Chancellor, and in the last part I asked you to guess what was in this large box. And the box behind me is what that box holds. Have you figured it out yet? So my partner ordered this. This is a spinner for a whirlwind prop, and that was what was in that large box. Beautiful carbon fiber all the way around. Already cut out for the mechanism and the gearbox that goes, not gearbox, that goes inside of the spinner. And the box behind me is holding this. Two blades that will total up to 82-inch prop, and it's a ground adjustable prop. So that means on the ground, if I need to adjust the pitch of the blades, I can get a better cruise speed or a better climb speed depending on what I need at the time. But with a Lycoming 0320, I think it's gonna be pretty crazy. So anyways, I gotta get this stuff back to the hangar. In the meantime, I'll see you in the sky, and thanks for watching.